Is marriage a trap? Listen, fam, I'm gonna be real and honest with you. Marriage itself is a blessing. At first, it was a respected union between God, you, and your wife. Now, it ain't that, G. I'll keep it a buck. I believe marriage was supposed to be great and family is important. I'll never speak down on that. But imagine this. You get married in church, yet divorced in court. Make it make sense. I'll never move from pride or ego, nor say or do things that will make God disappointed. But let's look at how the world truly is today, fam. Most women are promiscuous. They believe in feminism. They can do what they want and how they want. They don't want an authority figure, and they say they do, but when they have it, they call it controlling. This ain't even me speaking from my experience. It's from what I've seen and what's factual. Of course, I ain't saying men don't pull their weight too, but does that mean if the marriage don't go well, you should take his whole life? That's what the law does. You can say, I love this girl, she's amazing. And yes, she is personally, but I won't get married unless the church, and only the church, is involved. Because once you in court, will she still want to fight for your love or for all your resources? Hence why I say, fam, as a young man, focus on yourself. I ain't saying disrespect women. Yes, we love them, we vibe with them, but we grounded. We won't just move with the wind. This is one of the reasons why I created my Playboys Playbook, to help guys actually move like the man and understand female psychology and manipulation. I dropped 4 free sample pages of the digital comic book in the description. Feel free to check it out. But getting back to it, we have to accept we in a world where a lot of women don't want order. It's not the 90s anymore. They don't want a white picket fence and a nice house. They want 5-star restaurants. They want Gucci, Chanel, and all designer things, and believe they should be treated like that just for existing. Personally, I say live the way you want. If you don't want God, it's your own free will and you deserve to do anything. Just take note, then never be by their side or take them serious. You don't have to fight a battle that was not yours to begin with, fam. I appreciate y'all for checking the full video, and that's why I want to invite y'all to my Homeboys community, a place where we grow and move as men. If you want to join, the link is in the description. Blessed day, fam. Keep going strong.